Welcome back to MVP Auto. Today, we're taking a close, cinematic look at the all-new Mazda CX-30, a compact SUV that continues to push the boundaries of design, comfort, and driving dynamics. Right off the bat, just look at that stunning red finish. Mazda's signature Soul Red crystal really pops under showroom lighting, giving this SUV an upscale, sporty vibe. The body is sculpted with clean lines, smooth curves, and a bold rear design that makes it stand out without being over the top. Let's swing around to the rear. You'll see these sharp LED taillights stretching sleekly across the back, perfectly paired with the blacked-out lower bumper and dual exhaust tips. Everything about this rear-end setup screams modern and athletic. The doors open wide, revealing an interior that feels more premium than you'd expect in this segment. The two-tone theme, combining dark black panels with subtle red stitching, gives it a touch of elegance. The cabin is well thought out, with soft-touch materials and a driver-centric layout that's both practical and stylish. Now take a look at the rear seats, spacious, with decent legroom and a design that prioritizes passenger comfort. It's not just good-looking, it's functional. Whether you're doing the daily commute or heading out on a road trip, the CX-30 is ready to handle it. One thing Mazda continues to excel at is attention to detail. The ambient lighting, the clean dashboard layout, the tactile feel of the controls, everything feels deliberately crafted. This isn't just a car that looks good on the outside, it feels just as refined inside. Let's not forget about the ride quality. While this video is focused on visuals, the CX-30 is known for its balanced driving dynamics. Smooth handling, solid grip, and a suspension setup that's tuned for both comfort and control, that's the kind of driving experience Mazda is known for. And there you have it, the 2025 Mazda CX-30, blending luxury, sportiness, and everyday usability into one bold package. Let me know in the comments, would you pick this over other compact SUVs like the Honda HR-V or Toyota Corolla Cross? If you enjoyed this cinematic showcase, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to MVP Auto, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next ride.